Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments, and my company is Uptown 101. Hey, so I saw something, I couldn't believe it. This is on the Alta Riverside Apartments. Look at this pickleball court on property, its own pickleball court. Amazing. You've got your own pickleball court. You know how popular it is now, of course. Everybody is getting into pickleball. So your own pickleball, and it's free. It's a free benefit. You can play at any time. It's right here on the property. This is very cool to have this. There's even some chairs to kind of have spectators here, so that's cool too. You can store your goods here under these umbrellas and stuff like that, these awnings. This is really, really cool. Love the feel here. This is awesome. So it's so fun to see this. I literally have never seen this on any property in Dallas. So I've got to say kudos to Alta Riverside. Hey, that's the last video we're going to do at the Alta Riverside, except for one more. We're going to see the garage, but this is pretty much it. If you have questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. And if you want to set up a tour of this apartment or of the best apartments in Dallas, send me a text. I'll take care of that now. That tour can be live or it can be Zoom live. So whichever you need, I'll take care of that with our 100% free service.